Because you're in the mortgage business, so we've seen, I think, 12. This is the 12th. It's the 11th or the 12th interest rate hike, the one that just got passed.
Yeah,
11th on July 26th. So we've seen 11 interest rate hikes in a row. Never historically, the Feds have never done that.
Right.
And we have this thing coming up that they're calling it Red October, right? Where $4 billion of commercial loans are coming to get reset in October, the last quarter of this year. And that DSCR is just not going to work. And these people are going to do a capital call. These multifamily are going to have to do a capital call or bring more money, or the banks are going to take it. There's going to be some blood on the streets, I think, because just fundamentally speaking, I think there's going to be some issues. I want to get your thoughts on that. So on the residential side, we have a lot of people that think like, well, that's on the commercial side.
Well, let's start with this. What happened this morning? What was the news this morning?
Labor. The labor, I think we had unemployment. I haven't seen it yet. I know it came out this morning at 8:30 a.m.
It's another good number. It was right around 200,000 jobs.
So it's softened a little bit than the previous months, but it's still strong.
That's about expectations.
Yeah, that's still strong number. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's about expectations. That's not necessarily a low number. But here was the thing. 14 out of the last 16 months, the jobs number has come in above expectations.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I've been in the business a long time. Okay. So, those 25 years, we've seen a lot of ups and downs. I lived through, policy-wise, economic policy-wise, right? The Clinton years, the Bush years, the Obama years, right? The Trump years, right? A lot of changes in economic policy from one, administration to another, okay? Some things don't change, though, okay? The fundamentals are strong. I'm not one of these people that are gloom and doom. I will say this. I did for a brief moment buy into the word on the street back in like 2018, 2019. They were like, oh, recession's coming. Inverted yield curve. Okay, let's see what happens. Didn't happen. 2018, no recession. 2019, no recession. Pandemic. Still 2020 ended up a good year. Now, we had a moment in the spring where everything looked with the hell in the handbasket, right? But by the summer, everything sort of on the money side of the world, things started, making money. And the government did the best thing, that you could do. And this is not political. This is just economics. I'm talking purely economics here.
Straight economics. Yes, sir.
When the private sector cannot provide jobs and money to an economy, it is the job of government to step in and support the companies, the businesses, and the workers to provide that opportunity and or that capital, so that now when things get back to normal, we're not starting from the basement. Then that's what they did.